If you want to know how to sign in to Google Chrome, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Signing into Chrome is really useful because it lets you sync your bookmarks, passwords, browsing history, extensions, and settings across all your devices. So whether you're setting up a new computer or just need to access your Google account in Chrome, this is the easiest way to do it. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome opens, look to the right side of the browser window. You should see the Sign In option there. Go ahead and click Sign In. Now Chrome will ask you to enter your Google email address. Type in the email address that you want to use for your Google account, then click Next. On the next screen, enter your password carefully. Make sure there are no typos, especially if your password includes capital letters, numbers, or special characters. Once you've entered it correctly, click Next again. Chrome will now verify your account details and sign you in. After that, your Chrome browser will be connected to your Google account, and you're now signed in. From here, you can start using Chrome with your account synced across devices, which makes browsing much easier and more convenient. If you ever need to switch accounts later, you can always go back into Chrome settings and sign out or add another profile. And that's how to sign in to Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.